Good day everyone. Today I am going to discuss about my problems. For number 1, the question is, what is the square root of 100? My answer is A, positive 10. This is because 10 multiplied by itself equals 100, although both positive and negative 10 satisfy the question. So the square root symbol represents the principal or positive square root. Therefore, the answer is positive and negative 10. So number 2, what kind of triangle in which two sides are equal? My answer is B, isosceles triangle, because an isosceles triangle has exactly two sides of equal length. A scalene triangle has no equal sides. An equilateral triangle has three equal sides. Then a right triangle is defined by having one 90-degree angle. So for numbers 3, my answer is letter B, 300 years. Let the age of the Florentine statue by let x years. Since the Roman statue is 3 times as old, its age is 3x. So 100 years from now, the Roman statue will be twice the age of Florentine statue. So I form the equation 3x plus 100 is equal to 2 multiplied by x. So 2 multiplied by x plus 100. So solving it gives us x is equal to 100. So the Roman statue is 3 multiplied by 100 is equal to 300 years old. So therefore my answer is 300 years. So number 4. I use the slope formula, which is y2 is equal to y2 is y2 minus 1 y1 over x2 minus x1. So substituting the values, for y2 is 1, y1 is 2, then x2 is 3, and x1 is 4. So it gives us 4 minus 2 over 3 minus 1, which is 2 over 2. So the answer is 1. Therefore the length of the line is 1. So for the numbers 5, consecutive odd, odd numbers. So for number 5, I let the smaller odd number be x and the larger odd number is b x plus 2. So the problem states that 3 times the largest number exceeds larger by 12. So the equation is 3x is equal to x plus 2 then plus 12. So solving the equation gives us x is equal to 7. So the two consecutive odd numbers are 7 and 9. Therefore, the correct answer is letter B. For number 6, my answer is letter C. I use the formula D, which is square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. Then substituting all the values, 5 minus 2 squared plus 5 minus 1 squared. So the answer is square root of 9 plus 16, which is square root of 25. So square root of 25 is a perfect square of 5. So the answer is 5. My answer is number for this number.